vegetables, yellow squash are rich in nutrients that are great for eye health. They're also great sources of vitamin C and fiber. Yellow squash can be served raw, roasted, sautéed, or grilled, making these vegetables incredibly versatile. Popular in backyard gardens, yellow squash is available in North Carolina in the spring and the fall. Raw yellow squash is a great snack, just cut into spears or slices and served with low-fat ranch or hummus. But today I'm going to make a different recipe. This one is called stuffed summer squash. I started by rinsing the squash under cool running water, careful not to damage the delicate skin. Next, I cut in half lengthwise. Using a spoon, I scraped out most of the large seeds. Then placed in a pan with a little bit of water to steam until tender. Using a different spoon, I scraped out about a cup of pulp. In a large bowl, I combined 2 cups of cooked brown rice with 1 cup of squash pulp, 1 pound of cooked ground turkey, 1 can of low-sodium condensed cream of mushroom soup, and about 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese, saving a little bit for topping later. Next, I placed the squash shells in a baking sheet and stuffed with the rice and turkey mix. I recommend buying squash that have a little bit bigger bottoms than the ones I got. This will give you more room for filling. Topped with the leftover cheese and then baked at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes until the tops were golden brown. Let me know how you like to enjoy yellow squash. If you'd like to learn more about FNET, please contact your local extension center. Until next time.